This is actually the start of where I always start my tours. This is where all the aluminum comes in, and we process 90,000 pounds worth of aluminum a week. The car that you drove in here on weighs about 4,000 pounds. So just to put it in perspective as far as how much we manufacture and what we turn it into. B&P Manufacturing is a small, locally owned business here in northern Michigan. We were originally founded in 1943. They were a manufacturer of material handling products and products for the Department of Defense.
And they continue manufacturing these items and more 80 years later, with sustainability in mind.
We want to make sure that we're being mindful of the environment, and we want to be mindful of our spend. And energy is a big part of our spend. We have a lot of very expensive, high usage machines of electricity and natural gas. We've utilized programs through Consumers Energy, and we did an energy assessment audit, and they made several recommendations for us where we could make big differences on our energy usage. Because of the Consumers Energy programs, we were able to convert all of our facilities over to LED lighting. And as a result of that, we're expected to save about 35% on our energy bills just alone with the lighting change. After we installed the LED lights, we noticed a huge change in the lighting within our facility to make it easier for our employees to do their jobs and make it a safer environment as well. Our plan is to reinvest in our company with better equipment, more efficient features, and better quality of life for our workers. 80% of our employees come right from this community here. So B&P Manufacturing always gets involved with charities and projects that are important to our employees.
Let's dive further into what B&P Manufacturing makes and how they do it.
These are all very unique shapes that are for our manufacturing. This little part for dominoes, which we'll see a little bit further back, started out a 20-foot long piece of aluminum, and we cut them into these little pieces. This particular order right here was cut into 5,400 pieces. So this gets processed. So even the smallest little minute part, we manufacture right here. All of our hand truck frames, we got to build 600 frames a day just to keep up with the demand of what we have to build and what our customers are going to buy. There are 11 different frames, 77 different handles, 31 different nose plates, and 12 different sets of tires. We also manufacture lightweight aluminum storage containers for the Department of Defense, and they hold missiles, radar units, and firefighting equipment. We cut all this stuff, we do all the machining on it, and then we frame it all up and we weld it together, and it has to be 100% airtight. And then so all of our all of our welding technicians are AWS certified, and we have really good welding equipment. There's a lot of skill and a lot of talent that goes into making these.
With impeccable craftsmanship, innovative ideas, and true commitment to their employees, B&P Manufacturing is proud to be made in Michigan.